same here. Color. Like. Now guys, here's my Easter bunny. Looks so cute, don't it? What's up guys? It's Sian here and today we're gonna teach you how to make a bunny. So first we need a pair of socks, and then we need a scarf like this, and then we need red and black markers and a scissor that is sharp enough to cut a sock, and we need this thing, and we need some rice that is stuck. So first of all we need rice that's stuck, and then we have to get this. Put it here and then put this here so it doesn't fall. I'm gonna put this like this. Should put the whole thing. Put the whole thing in here once. And we need to cut this a little bit. See? If you have a short one, you can cut so. Now I just need a rope to cut. Now you have to get the rope and cut it like I just did. Now we have to maybe just one more time, and then I better cut this. Okay, this is good. Cut this. I'm gonna tie this here, guys. Can you see it, guys? Okay, you go. Here. Now all has to do is tie this. And if you're bored at home, you can do this right now. So I'm teaching you right now. Tie like that. You have to cut it out here. I need to make the bunny ears. So guys, we have to make a triangle all the way here, and then one right all the way here. So let's do it. Guys, here. Some bunny ears. Now guys, we have to make the eyes. Now guys, this is how you make the eyes. So just make like that, and the other one like that, and then this one is like the nose and the mouth. This one, and that. And now we have to make some cheeks. You want some cheeks, guys? Make a circle there with the red marker, and then another one same here. Color, like. That's what it's bunny. Wait, the scarf! I forgot the scarf! With the scarf you have to put this here, put this there, and then we have to turn it all around. Ta-da! That's how you make it, bunny. Now guys, here's my Easter bunny. Looks so cute, don't it? Now guys, it's the end of the vlog, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos.